Hey, welcome to Everyday Jewish Mom. My name is Marty, and today I am talking about Shabbat. What is it? How do we celebrate? And of course, what do we eat? If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. I put out videos all year round on raising Jewish kids and the basics of Jewish holidays. So what is Shabbat? Shabbat is the Jewish Sabbath. It's our day of rest. It goes from sundown on Friday night all the way through Saturday until sundown on Saturday night. As the story of creation goes in our Torah, God did the work of creation in 6 days, and on the seventh day God rested, and we are also commanded to rest on that seventh day. Now, how do we celebrate? As I mentioned, Shabbat starts on Friday night, and we welcome in the Sabbath by lighting candles, saying a blessing over wine and a blessing over bread. If you're curious about those prayers, I have a sing-along version for you, and I'll link that. It is also tradition to go to Shabbat services at temple, either on Friday night or Saturday morning. More observant families will be what is called shomer Shabbos, which means that from Friday night at sundown until Saturday night at sundown, they will abstain from anything that could be considered work. So not just the traditional idea of work, but also driving a car. They do not handle electronics. They do not handle money. Things like that during the Sabbath. And then on Saturday night, we end Shabbat with a ceremony called Havdalah, which separates our day of rest from the rest of our week. So what do we eat for Shabbat? Well, when we say the blessing over bread on Friday night, we do it over a braided loaf of bread called challah. I've got mine here. And then we have a celebratory Friday night dinner called Shabbat dinner. And traditionally, it would have chicken soup and other kind of classic Jewish foods. But every family does it differently. As long as it feels special, that's the most important part. And there's also a tradition for having people over for Shabbat dinner. I hope that this was helpful for you. If you are interested in celebrating Shabbat with your family, check out all the links in the box below and the videos that I'll have popping up here. If you want to connect, follow me on social media. I am Everyday Jewish Mom on everything, and sign up for my email newsletter, and I'll see you around. Shabbat Shalom.